The solar system is a vast and fascinating system that includes the sun, planets, moons, and many other celestial objects. Here is a detailed explanation in simple English. What is the solar system? The solar system is a group of objects that orbit around the sun, which is at the center. The sun contains about 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. Main components of the solar system. 1. The sun. The sun is a star made mostly of hydrogen and helium. It provides light and heat, making life possible on Earth. Its gravity keeps all planets in orbit. Though the planets, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Inner planets, rocky planets. Mercury closest to the sun, very hot and no atmosphere. Venus, hottest planet, thick toxic atmosphere. Earth, only known planet with life. Mars, known as the red planet. Outer planets, gas giants and ice giants. Jupiter, largest planet, has a great red spot. Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings. Uranus, rotates on its side. Neptune, farthest planet, very cold and windy. 3. Dwarf planets, smaller than regular planets. Spirit. Example Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake. 4 moons, natural satellites. Planets have moons orbiting them. Example, Earth has 1 moon, Jupiter has 90 plus moons. 5. Asteroids, small rocky objects found mainly in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. 5. Comets, made of ice and dust. When close to sun, they form a glowing tail. 7. Meteoroids, meteorites, small space rocks 2p. When they enter Earth's atmosphere, they are called meteors, shooting stars. Structure of the solar system. Persampor. Inner solar system gives Mercury to Mars, Pratical Lokes Menake. Asteroid belt. Outer solar system gives Jupiter to Neptune, Proxime B. Kuiper belt gives region with dwarf planets like Pluto. Oort cloud gives a distant cloud of icy objects. Parto bother. Important facts. The solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Gravity is the force that holds everything together. Earth is the only known planet that supports life. Conclusion. The solar system is a complex and beautiful system centered around the sun. It includes planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, all moving in harmony due to gravity. Scientists continue to explore it to understand more about space and the possibility of life beyond Earth.